I'm Joe. I'm the service manager here at Rusty Arrow Kia, and we're here today to talk to you about the safety precautions we are taking during the coronavirus. 6 feet from me is our shop foreman, Eric.
Hi, I'm Eric, your shop foreman. So around the company here we have gloves, we have masks, and we have plenty of hand sanitizer. This is for the employees as well as the customers or any guests who might come in here. If you can't find it, just ask any employee. We're more than happy to help you. 6 feet to my left is Bob from Parts.
Hi, I'm Bob from Parts. We've installed touchless paper towel dispensers. We're keeping all the doors open and we're cutting down on touch points. Joe, are we still offering pickup and delivery?
We sure are, Bob. If you're within 20 miles of the dealership, we will pick up your vehicle and we will deliver it back to you. Just give us a call, we'll take care of everything.
On top of this, we're also cleaning all the touch points in your vehicle as you arrive here and before we get the vehicle back to you.
Thanks.